Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we'll be taking a look at new cloud mining company, which is CCG mining, and I'll be telling you whether to invest in it or not. So that will be completely my opinion. You do your own research, as I say in every video, because that's your hard-earned money. But anyways, I'll be giving my opinion. So let's start. CCG mining. Start mining the most profitable cryptocurrencies. Start your own adventure with cryptocurrencies and become an owner of the mining rig. So they, other than selling the mining contracts, cloud mining contracts, they're even selling the mining rig. You can go and buy it from the website itself. But if you're a beginner, I won't recommend you buying the mining rig. I'd rather suggest you going for the cloud mining contracts itself. So next point is get the highest hash rate. Start the mining process and achieve the highest level of hash rate to increase your capital. So this is somewhat true actually. You will be getting higher hash rate compared to other companies. I will be proving that in just a moment. But first let's look at the website completely. Become a VIP customer and invest at the highest level. So I won't recommend you investing in this at first we'll be investing in the cloud mining contract, and then if that's working good, if that goes good, then after that we'll be looking at it. So right now these are the best products. This is open-ended contract, cloud mining contract. This is also a contract, and this is also a cloud mining contract. So what they're offering, as we saw, mining rigs, cloud mining contracts, and VIP packages. So why should we choose them? CCG Mining is a professional team that is doing everything in its power to make the tagline, "We make it easy for you," available to anyone, regardless of where they live, knowledge about cryptocurrencies, and the level of involvement in cryptocurrencies. So this is basically a passive business. You don't need to have a lot of knowledge in cryptocurrencies to basically cloud mine. So that's what they are trying to say. We work every day and create new innovative products to meet our biggest and most complex requirements while offering the most flexible and cost competitive solutions. So Michael is the CEO of CCG Mining. Get your profit today. Hardware is already running. By this, what they mean is when you invest in a contract, a portion of their mining rigs is set up for you for the particular time until your contract gets over. That may be for a year or two. That will be looking at it right now. Mine alternative currencies worldwide. So of course, all other companies also offer us worldwide, no doubt. Choose a reliable partner. Okay. So before checking the prices, let's check out their data centers. This is the video, you can go check it out. If I start checking out these videos, then this video will become pretty big. I mean, pretty long. Building mining data centers, renting place at mining data centers, managing mining rigs. So these three things are done by them, and their data centers are located in Poland, as you can see here. 24/7 monitoring, highly trained technical staff, high-tech mining data server, building technology, totally secured low-cost electricity. Okay. So their office is located in London. Okay, though they have even given their Skype ID. They have their Skype ID as well as their email ID in case we want to contact them. So next thing is, okay, let me leave these things aside. When you come here, you can check it out. But let's check out the prices of the contracts. In case you are wondering the cost of mining rigs, let me check that out too. So yeah, it starts with no. So the prices are random. So basically, yeah, these are the mining rigs. You can go and order it right from here. Oh, though they even have an option for custom mining rig. That is a great thing. So this is the thing. I don't suggest you investing in this thing because it costs you a lot of money. Like, see, it starts from $3,800, and as a beginner, I'm sure you'll be afraid of investing this much amount of money uh, online. So I suggest you to start with cloud mining contracts. Let me click on this. Okay, so the Bitcoin contract starts with $19 and you get 50 gigahertz. So if you see this thing, Bitcoin contracts are a little bit expensive, I'd say, little bit expensive than hash player. But if you see the Zcash mining, let me take this as an example, 425 US dollars for 250 hashes. And the same thing if you check in Hashflare, you are getting 250 hashes for $500. So you are saving almost $75 here. So that is a good thing that I am seeing here. But it's a little bit confusing. Some of the prices are higher than other companies while some of the others are lower. So you just compare before buying the contracts. That's what I'd say. But this is a pretty good company, let me tell you. A lot of big investors, those who invested in Genesis Mining or Hashflare, have already started investing in it in a huge amounts. So I don't think this website will be going anywhere in the near future. Like, I don't see it going in, I don't see it going scam in 2070, 2018 or 2019. I don't know after that. Okay. So I feel this website very safe. Now, in case you are interested, the links will be in the description. You can go over there, and then here there will be option to sign up or to create an account. Sorry, there will be option to create account. Click click over there, fill all your details, and you'll be logged into your account. But before that, let's check out the team. I forgot to check that out. So see, as I told you, the team is pretty the website is pretty transparent. They tell you each and everything. They have the pictures, they have the Facebook link to it, they even have the LinkedIn. So everything is pretty transparent over here. Nothing to doubt about. So now let's check out the client area that I had to show you. Once you are logged in, just now I created the account, so I haven't invested anything till now. As soon as I created the account, I'm making the video, but I'll be soon investing in it. Of course, I'll be investing in it for sure, no doubt. Now, one more thing that is interesting in this website is that it has its own profit calculator. Now, previously in Genesis Mining or Hashflare, we'd have to go through other profit calculators like coinwatch.com or something like that. But now you have your own profit calculator. And let me tell you that the profit calculator is pretty accurate. They don't scam you or they don't give any wrong information over there. The information that we get over here is pretty accurate. Let me take you to that. Here is the calculator. Let me so everything is set up default according to the price here. I'm sorry. So as you can see, if we buy 1000 gigahertz or 1 terahertz, we'll be making $1 every day, and it's a 2-year contract, and we'll be making 940 US dollars after 2 years. If we invest in 1000 gigahertz, let's check out that in dollars. If you invest $375, you'd be making $940 in 2 years. Now keep in mind that the difficulty increases by time, so don't expect that you'll be getting the same amount once the contract ends. But one thing is that as the difficulty increases, the prices are also increasing, so you can hope that you will be getting this much amount of money, but it's not guaranteed. okay, that you should keep in mind while buying these contracts. So what next? Let's check out the client area as I told you. So from here you can click on buy more contracts, click on buy more, and it basically choose the contract that you're buying, anything. I suggest you buying Zcash in it because Zcash is comparatively, the prices are comparatively low compared to other companies. So I suggest you buying this thing. So for example, if I'm buying this, I'll click on order now. Now I am not having this much amount of money in my wallet, so I'm not buying it right now, but as I'll buy it, I'll be making a dedicated video on it. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe and press that notification bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So here we have to paste our Bitcoin wallet where we'll be getting our payouts, and once I click on continue, here here if I have a promote code, then I'll be pasting it over here, and then finally I'll click on checkout. So here once I click on pay now, I'll be getting a Bitcoin wallet address. To that I'll be sending the amount, and once I send it, the transaction is pretty much instant. Once you send it, your hash power will be given to you, and from that moment on you will be your cloud mining contract starts for 2 years, and every day you'll be making passive income with this. So that was it for the video. I guess I told you everything I had in my mind. So this was a sudden video, guys. I did not prepare anything, so I'm sorry if I told something wrong. That was it for the video, guys. If you're interested in it, join right now. The prices are, the hash rates prices are pretty cheap, so this might be a good chance for you guys. If I get a promo code, then I'll leave it in the description, so you can apply that to get some discounts. So that was pretty much for the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe.